In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to prepare your file, and how to make sure every column lands in the right place, so your CRM stays clean and useful. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Contacts on the left pane. This takes you to your list of people and organizations. From here, look toward the top of the list for the Add Person button. Right next to it, you'll see a small caret icon. Click that caret to reveal more options and choose Import Data. This brings up Pipedrive's import area, where you'll handle everything needed to bring your spreadsheet into the system correctly. Before you upload anything, click Download Template File at the top right. Grabbing this template is important because it shows you the exact structure Pipedrive expects. Open the template and align your data to match its columns. Common fields include first name, last name, organization, email, and phone. Keep each contact on its own row, use clear column headers, and avoid merging cells. Make sure emails are in a standard format, phone numbers are consistent, and names are properly split if possible. If your spreadsheet has extra columns you don't need, it's best to remove or ignore them to keep the import simple. Save your file in a supported format like CSV or XLSX. Now, head back to the import screen, click Import, and upload your file. Pipedrive will then guide you through mapping, which is where you connect your file's columns to Pipedrive's fields. On the left, you'll see the column names from your file. On the right, choose the matching field in Pipedrive. For example, map your email column to email, phone to phone, and so on. If you have an organization column, map that too, so people are linked to the right company. Pay close attention here. Accurate mapping is what ensures your data lands exactly where you expect. If Pipedrive flags any columns it doesn't recognize, either map them to the correct field or leave them unmapped if they're not needed. Once everything looks good, proceed with the import and let Pipedrive process your file. You'll see your contacts appear in the list, neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. Click Contacts, open the Import menu, download and match the template, then import, upload, and map. Quick, clean, and done.